My name is Syeda Amina Ameer. I am an educator with over 10 years of teaching experience in English, mathematics, and physics, working with students from basic to advanced levels. This channel is designed for the serious learners. It is for O-level and A-level students, as well as civil services and competitive exam aspirants from Pakistan who want conceptual clarity, not rote learning. Here, we focus on building strong fundamentals, understanding why concept works, and apply them confidently in exam or real life problems. Alongside core subject, this platform will introduce computational thinking, including Python as a tool to strengthen logic, problem solving, and scientific understanding, especially for students of physics and math. You will not find shortcuts here. You will think, analyze, and perform from basic to advanced application. If you are committed to learning and academic excellence, subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon, and welcome to the Brainery. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to learn with you.